up on the content block. I don't know, man. It's not like I can't make any videos and I'm like incapable of it. It's just, I don't know. I've just been having a non-creative mind. This is my sister, Michaela. She doesn't have social media, so all you horny little teenagers, back off. So I just got out of Best Buy and I just want to say I got a new bendy tripod.
Let's go. This bucked up got me feeling fucked up. Use code BASE6.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I had work today and I forgot. Yep, and it is now 10:30 and I just closed the store and yeah. I was indeed, it's been a day. It's been a day. I dropped my phone. Now, luckily, well, hopefully, I have insurance on it and it'll cover it and I won't have to worry about cost or anything and it'll just get fixed. I still have content block, but I didn't let it stop me from making a video though.